time for the lightning round. Crypto investor very close about Friday and saying this sucker to bye just be on the course of play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. I want to start with Brett in Texas. Brett.
Hey, what's up, Jim? How you doing? Booyah.
Booyah. Thank you for calling, Brett. What's going on?
Hey, all the, I'm calling about gold. Barrett Gold, what are your thoughts?
You know, someone asked me the other day when I was signing bottles in Boca whether I'm backing away from gold, from Barrett Gold. And I said, absolutely not, but only if you want to own a gold stock. And I'm not recommending gold stocks right now, other than a small portion of your portfolio. Let's go to Taylor in Tennessee. Taylor.
Hey, how's it going, Jim?
I am doing well. How are you?
I'm good. I was calling about Occidental Petroleum.
Well, Occidental is not my favorite. It's Warren Buffett's favorite. My favorite right here is Pioneer, PXD. Offers a better yield and it's better run. But I know that Warren Buffett likes Occidental, and that's why that stock's so darn high. Let's go to Dave in Arkansas, please, Dave.
Mr. Kramer, this is Double Diamond Dave from Overland Park, Kansas. What are your
Double
thoughts
Diamond?
on
You're a very hard course to ski, my friend. What's going on?
What are your thoughts on LITE, Lumentum Holdings, Inc.?
Not a buyer. I think that's something very wrong. When you see a stock keep going down like that, it doesn't matter what the earnings say they are. It matters is that what's going on, including that dividend situation. I say no. Walter, or non-situation. Walter in California. Walter.
Jim, how are you? Lakewood, California loves Jim Cramer. I know you're a busy guy. Can I get your
I got time. What do you got?
Can I get your perspective on Nordic American Tanker? NAT.
Okay, Herbjorn Hansen just keeps telling me business is going up. The stock's now at 4. Historically, they've been a seller of common stock all the way, which has really bothered me. But Herbjorn's as bullish as I've ever heard. Let's put it that way. Let's go to Michael in Washington. Michael.
Jim, hi. First, I want to say what a brilliant and important job you've done all these years.
You're very kind. I am trying to get this one right. I am trying to get it right. Thank you.
Well, it's been great. I picked up Confessions of a Street Addict the minute it was published because I'd met you a few times in the class of '84 in law school, and I've been hooked ever since. It was just great.
You're very kind. That was some year, man. What's going on?
Okay. The stock I'm interested in, I think, is a really deep value stock, although it's a little bit speculative for a number of reasons. It's been beaten up with the price of oil declining recently, and it was beaten up at the beginning of the year after the elections in Brazil, which seemed to spook Wall Street. And it's Petrobras, PBR.
Well, what can I say? Brazil spooks you. I mean, look, if this were in any other country with the yield like it has and the growth rate that it has, you'd be buying the heck out of it. But you know what? It's in Brazil, and that's really what matters. And the answer is you got to stay away. Can't trust it. Can't trust it at all. Let's go to Joel in Texas. Joel.
Hey, Jim. This is Joel, club member and neurologist in North Texas, calling about pharmaceuticals. It's up 10x in the past 10 years on its approved genetic therapies for CF, but now has a pain relief drug in phase 3 that could help millions of pain sufferers, such as those with headaches, as you have. So is VRTX now a buy?
Yeah, it's been a buy the whole way, and I'm glad that you mentioned that. I am the chief spokesperson of the American Migraine Foundation, and I do feel very strongly that Vertex is just a remarkable company and deserves to be trading at considerably higher level. I'll give you 2 for sure because you're with me. I also like Regeneron after that. Amazingly good news about COPD. Both stocks are buys. Let's go to Larry in Illinois. Larry.
Booyah, Jim. Thanks for all you and your team do. Hey, I'm interested in Dana. Ticker DAN.
Look, I think it's a great company, but at this point in the rate cycle, you just cannot buy an auto parts company. I would include Lear, and I think Lear's. I'll even Magna. I think Magna's true, but I don't want to own. At this point in the cycle, you're going to get to be able to buy those lower. Let's go to Thomas in Louisiana. Thomas.
Booyah, Mr. Jim Cramer.
Wow.
Thank you so much for taking my call.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. I want to give one quick shout out to my wife, Bethany. We're both huge fans. Been watching you for a long time.
You're too kind, man. I tell Steph I like that. I'm a buyer.
Yes,
let's go. What's up?
CPRX.
Okay, now if you can tell me why this stock is only at 16 and not much higher, please let me know. This is a company, a biotech company that makes a lot of money and had a very good quarter. So it's mystifying to me. I think it's a buy. And that, ladies and gentlemen, good lightning round.
The lightning round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, Cramer sizes up the short report that has Jack Dorsey in its sights. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.